Good afternoon, everyone. As you know that we are conducting this yoga session. So children, yoga, it improves strength, balance and flexibility. Yoga helps with back pain relief. It helps to erase arthritis. Yoga benefits heart, heart health. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga helps you manage stress. Yoga connects you with a supportive community. So, we Scholar Pridians are conducting this yoga activity. So, let's start. Spread your hands. Spread your hands. Make a fist. Start rotating it clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Open up your hands. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, come down. Hands at the back, neck. Keep your hands at the neck. Neck. Keep your hands both. Fasten your hands and put them at the neck. Lift up your left leg and try to touch your right elbow. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Slowly come down. Slowly come down. Chair pose. Hands front. Lock them. Side pose. Everyone will do the side pose of chair pose. Chair pose, side pose. Everyone will do. Yes. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Come down. Relax. Lock your shoulders. Hands at the back. Hands at the back. Back. Back hands. Back. Jatin, hands at the back. Neck rotation. From right side 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the left side. 1. Try to touch your ear with your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, round circle, you have to rotate your neck in a circular way and clockwise and anti-clockwise. 5 times clockwise. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Now, start Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana, it improves your balance. Your left thigh on the left foot on the right thigh. Put your left foot on the right thigh. Join your hands. Stretch them upwards. Stretch them upwards. Join them. Bring them slowly down. Namaskar Mudra. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
आवाज नहीं आ रही
21, 22,
मेरे भी कम
23,
आवाज है
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come down, relax. Vrikshasana improves your balance. Same asana, tree pose from the opposite side. Now lift up your right foot, put on the left thigh, join your hands, stretch them upwards, join them, make Namaskar Mudra. Slowly bring them down between your chest. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come down. Relax. Take the position of Tadasana. It improves, it helps in height. It helps in the height of the children. Yes. Join, fasten your hands, stretch them upwards. Upper body jitni stretch kar sakte ho. Max to max, how much you can stretch it. Stretch your upper body upwards and come on the toes. Heels bhi up ho jane chahiye. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come down. Relax. Now Trikonasana, triangle pose. Slowly lift up your right hand. Slowly lift up straight, touching your ear. Deep breathing. And now bend towards your left direction. आपके पैरों में foot mat जितना distance between the foot, mat gap. Now hand should be up, right should be up, and turn your body towards the left side. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come back. It helps to reduce the inches from the back, from the waist. Yes. Now come, same triangle pose from the opposite direction. Now you did from the right side. Now you start from the left hand up. Slowly left hand up, touch your ear also. Now bend your body towards the right direction. Body should be bent towards the right. touch your hand with touch your foot with the hand. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come down. Sit down. Everyone sit down. चौकड़ी लगा के बैठ जाइए. सुखासन. Now relax. Cow pose. Cow pose. Right leg up. चौकड़ी में ही right leg को up कर दीजिए. हाँ, fold it and try to touch the floor with your right foot. जो आपका hand, जो आपका leg ऊपर है, वही hand ऊपर. If right is up, right hand will be up. And try to join both hands at your back. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come back. Same pose from the opposite direction. Now left leg up, left hand up. Try to touch the floor with the left foot and hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come back. Don't give a jerk to the body. झटका बिल्कुल नहीं देना बॉडी को. रिलैक्स. धीरे धीरे वापस आइए. Come on the knees. घुटनों पर आ जाइए. Come on the knees. घुटनों पर आ जाइए. घुटनों पर हाफ सिटिंग एंड हाफ स्टैंडिंग में आ जाइए. Come on the knees. घुटनों पर आ जाइए. Yes, everyone will do the side pose of this camel pose. Everyone will do perform in side way. Yes. Side pose करेंगे सभी. Try to touch your feet with your hand and neck to be bent. जितनी maximum आप अपनी neck को bend कर सकते हैं, bend your neck. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come back. धीरे से वापस आइए. बिल्कुल धीरे से. Now relax. Lay down. लेट जाइए. Lay down. Open up your hands. अपने हाथों को बिल्कुल खोल दीजिए. And direction should be straight up towards the sky. अपने हाथों को स्काई की तरफ रखना है. ठीक है. Gap between the feet. पैरों में गैप रख लीजिए. उमंग. Lay down. Lay down everyone. This is corpse pose. Shavasana. Relax. It gives you strength, recollects the energy from the body. Don't think anything. किसी चीज पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. Only look at your breaths. Inhaling, exhaling, आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस पे ध्यान रखना है. Deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Close eyes, relax. Tina, close your eyes. Deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Look at the entire your body system. सिर्फ आपने अपनी बॉडी की तरफ ध्यान देना है. Don't think anything. कुछ भी सोचना नहीं है. Your mind should be totally vacant at this moment. Feel happiness inside. Deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhaling and deep exhaling improves the entire system of your body. It controls your anger also. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Open up your eyes. Left side turn करते हुए come and sit down. Left side turn करते हुए come and sit down. Sit down. Sit in Sukhasana. Sit in Sukhasana. Yes. Do Anulom Vilom. Take the position of Anulom Vilom. Thumb up and two fingers near the thumb should be inside, and these two fingers, last two fingers, should be up. Now close your left nostrils with these two fingers and start inhaling from right side. Deep inhaling and try to complete one round. One round is of 14 times. You can do many rounds. That is your capability and your capacity. How much you can do. At least one round to be completed. Close your left nostrils. Inhale from right side. Close from the right side. Exhale from the left side. And inhale from the left side same. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right side. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Deep breathing. Deep inhaling, deep exhaling. Deep inhaling, deep exhaling. Don't move your neck. Don't move the neck. The hand that you are using to do this, to perform this activity, should be stick very near to your chest, and another hand in the Yog Gyan Mudra. Slowly come back. If your one round is completed, come back. Relax. Back should be straight. Back should be straight. Now Bhramri Pranayam. Close your ear holes with the thumb. First finger on the forehead, second on the eyelid, third near the nostrils, and fourth, smallest one, on the lips, near the lips. Turn your tongue inside the mouth and try to stick it to the upper portion of the mouth. create a sound, everyone will unmute. इस टाइम पर सभी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. Unmute yourself. Loud sound. Loud sound. Stop. Relax. Still you have to unmute yourself because Om chanting and Shanti chanting is there. Okay. 3 times loudly Om chanting, 3 times loudly Om chanting, and after that 3 times loudly Shanti chanting. During this process, your eyes will be closed. You will not open your eyes. Start. Rub your hands. Don't open your eyes. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Create energy. Rub in such a way that you feel that warmth. Your hands are now warm. Rub them vigorously. Create energy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now feel this energy on the forehead, on the eyelids, on the cheeks, on the ears, on the chin, on the neck, on the shoulders, on the elbow, on the wrist, on the back, on the thighs, on the legs, on the feet, and then come to the Namaskar Mudra. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Everyone.
you.
And spend their valuable time. Thank you very much.